Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn about how to bulk upload your products in Infinity Store. Bulk upload majorly means that you can upload your products one by one, or you can upload hundreds or thousands of products in a single sheet. So I guess bulk upload makes more sense so that you can make bulk upload about your product. So to bulk upload, first of all click on products. After clicking on products, here you will see option like import products. Click here. When you click on import products here, you will see screen like this here. So here you can see there are so many options. There are a template file. You can download the template file and put your products there. We are going to do that. So let's first read the instruction here. So there are column number one, which is product name, which is required. Product name is required in the sheet. There is a brand, which is optional. There is a unit. Unit basically means does this come in kilograms or grams or pieces or any other type of unit you created. Category is optional, subcategory is optional, but for Infinity Store it's must. If you want to show your products into the app, these two things are compulsory. Please put the category and subcategory into the sheet so that your products can show into the app itself. There is a SKU number, stock keeping unit number, which is optional. If you leave the stock keeping unit number blank, then it will generate a automatic number for your product. But if you have existing barcode on your product, I highly recommend you to put that number into the SKU option so that you can use your scan gun to use the PO system more efficiently. Barcode type is optional, default is C128, which is okay. Manage stock is required, 1 is yes, 0 is no. Alert quantity is optional, you can put alert quantity. Expires in optional if you want to put expiry product. Expiry period unit, you can put days or month, optional. Applicable tax is optional, if you create applicable tax is optional. Selling price tax type is required. There are two types option, inclusive or exclusive. If you sell product exclusive or if you sell inclusive, you have to write which type you sell this product. Product type is required, which is single or variable. There are two type of product you can create, which are single and variable. We have already talked about single products and variable products. Variation name is required if the product is variable. Variation values are required if the product is variable. If they are single, it is a single product. Variation name and variation values will not be required. Purchase price including tax required. Okay, required if purchase price excluding tax is not given. Purchase price excluding tax is required if this is not given. Profit margin is optional. Selling price is optional. Okay, opening stock is optional, but you can put your opening stock so that you don't have to worry about updating stock so oftenly. Opening stock location is optional. Expiry date is optional. You can see there are so many options. There is a 37 number column which is MRP price, which is required. MRP price only numbers. For variation values, put this separated value. Let's talk about this now in an Excel sheet. So I'm going to show you an Excel sheet here. So here you can see I have created two products which are sugar and Tata Salt. So my sugar comes in kilograms. My category is grocery. My subcategory is salt and sugar. Tata Salt comes in packet. Category is grocery and subcategory is salt and sugar. Here you can see I have leave the SKU number blank, but if I have existing barcode number on the product, please put that number into this column so that when you use the scan gun, it works more efficiently. Please, if you have the barcode number, existing barcode number onto the product, please use your scan gun to put the product number here, or you can manually tap that number here so that you can use your scan gun more efficiently. I will leave the barcode type blank. there is a manage stock option which I have to say yes to. So I will select one here. So here you can see alert quantity, which is 50, 50, 50. See, what I have done here is I have made sugar a variable product and Tata Salt a single product. So you can understand how this actually works. So sugar is our variable product, Tata Salt is our single product. So I have here sugar, I have alert quantity 50, 50, 50. Since I have created three variants of sugar, which is 1 kg, 2 kg, and 5 kg. So each of them have now a separate alert quantity. Okay, 50 for 1 kg, 50 for 2 kg, 50 for 3 kg, 5 kg. So this is their alert quantity. Now we can see applicable tax GST at the rate 5%. It is not a compulsory to put this here, but if you charge GST, so you have to put it here. And before you put it here, you have to create GST into the panel itself. So if you don't know how to create GST, please check my video how to create taxes in utility store. So here there is a GST of at the rate 5%. There is the selling price tax type you can see. Selling price tax type is inclusive. I collect GST including into the selling price. So inclusive. Here you can see product type, single or variable. So my product is variable. Sugar is variable. Here you can see. So I have put here is variable. What I have put here is variable. And Tata Salt it's single. You can see. So I have to put the variation name. See about the variation name and variation value. You have to create variations into the backend panel before you put variations here. If you don't put the variation, if you don't create the variation, like I have created a variation of weight of 1, 2, and 5 kg, I have already created this variation into the backend panel before uploading this sheet. Because if you don't create this variation by the name of weight and variation value is 1 to 5, so it will not upload and it will show the error. So I have created a variation in weight. Variation value is 1 to 5 and purchase price is 30, 60, and 150. Since it's a variable product, sugar is a variable product, I have created three variation. So they have three different purchase prices. You can think about Clinic Plus bottle or a shampoo bottles come in different sizes. So they have different prices. So that's the way. Like I have created purchase price of 30 rupee kg for 1 rupee for 1 kg, 60 for 2 kg, and 150 rupees for 5 kg. Here you can see in a single product my purchase price is rupees 8. This is not compulsory if you have put purchase price including tax. Okay. Profit margin is not compulsory. Here you can see I have put it a selling price. Since it's a variable product, so with three variants, I have to put three variables here. Okay, my selling price is 1 kg is 40, my 2 kg is 80, my 3 kg is 5 kg is 200. Here you can see I have separated all of them with this. Okay, so you have to use this. Please remember, you don't need to use this in the starting or in the end. It's just to separate the products. Don't use this in the starting or in the end. It's just use them in the middle here, like I have used. You can see here, and this is compulsory. If you don't put this, it will show error. Okay, this is the opening stock. Like I have 10, 10, 10. Put it the opening stock here. You have to separate them with this. Here, if we go ahead, here is the product description. You can put the product description directly here, like if your sugar, like sugar, top quality. Here I can put salt, top quality. It's not compulsory, but I recommend you to write the product description here so that you don't have to open every product to write a description, because this description will show into your app. So please put the description here too. Here we will go ahead and see there are custom fields which are no use. Here you can see the MRP price. which is compulsory, because the difference between selling price and MRP price will be the discount which is shown into the app. So please put the MRP price. If you don't put the MRP price here, this file will not upload. This will show an error, like MRP price is not there. So you can see I have created all of these. Let's go again. The product name is compulsory, unit is compulsory. Also, you have to create these units before uploading this sheet, because if you don't create these units before uploading the sheet, this will show an error. You don't need to create category or subcategory, they will create it automatically. So don't worry about them, but just create the units, and category and subcategory will be created automatically. You have to put manage stock, 1 is yes, 0 is no. Okay. Alert quantity you have to put. It's not compulsory, but I highly recommend you to put, since it will help you to know which product stock you have low. And here you can see GST. If you don't want, if you don't take GST, you can just remove it. It's just a process. Uh, Selling price type, which is, it is compulsory to put, which is inclusive or exclusive. Product type is single or variable. You have to put it here. If it's single product or variable product, like this is variable, this is single. If it is a variable product, please put the variation name. Variation name is like weight, size, color. Okay. Here you have to put purchase prices. You have to put selling prices. You have to put opening stock, and enable this is no use. This product description. I highly recommend you to write it, since it will show into your app. Uh, this is your MRP price. Please put the MRP price, which is compulsory. Now we will upload this product. Let's download this sheet. I'm downloading this sheet. Like, I'm going to go to download, and I will download the Microsoft Excel XLSX file. So I will click on here, Microsoft Excel XLSX file. I will click on download here. So this file is downloaded now. So let me just go into the here onto the backend panel. So here you can see I have to choose the downloaded file from the here. Let me check if I created all the variations and everything which I needed. So let me click on the variations here. If I click on the variations here, it will take me to another page like this. I have created variation of 1, 2, and 5 kgs. Okay. Let me check the units. If I created the units, like I've created packets there. If I created a packet here, so you can see I haven't created a packet unit here, so it will show an error. I will click on add, and I will click create a unit called packets packets pkt, and I will click on save. Now we will upload our product. I will click on import products. I will choose the file from selecting choose file, and I will, you can see I have selected the test sheet here. Here the product, the test sheet is selected. Now I will click on submit. You can see file imported successfully. So these products has been imported into my system. So let me see if they are really imported or not. So here you can see uh, I have created so many products here. These products are now imported, don't worry. You can see them into your app, but let me check again. Hmm. Here you can see I have created this product sugar 30 to 150. Okay, and GST at the rate 5%. This is my SKU code which is automatically generated. Okay, and let's go back. We can see the Tata Salt here, which we just imported, which is like Tata Salt Infinity Store. Unit purchase price is this, selling price is this, current stock is this, product type is single into salt and sugar. So that's how you import products in Infinity Store. Let me tell you one more thing. After you import the products, you have to put the pics manually into the products because you cannot upload pics in one go. You can just add products in one go. So if I have to add product pictures here to show them into my app, I will click on action. I'll click on edit, and I will put an image here. I will select an image here, and I will select an image here. So to show these into my apps, I have to update them. Please remember, you have to update the image manually after you bulk upload your products because images are very compulsory. You have to put both images here, this image as well as this image. Please remember that, and after that, please click on update. And this is updated now. So that's how you bulk upload the product in Infinity Store. If you have any other questions related to bulk upload, or if you face any type of error in your bulk upload, please comment below and let me know. Also, if you need any other videos related to Infinity Store, let me know. I will make more videos for your convenience. So thanks a lot. That's it.